Okay, they show that you're supposed to hold it up where it's supposed to be so you get an idea like how long it will be at the bottom, and then you're supposed to clean all that. So I got some cleaning wipes. I'm getting paint so bad. So now I'm supposed to lay it out. Now I'm supposed to put the backing of the Velcro on it. Okay, I got it all on there. Now I'm supposed to put it up. Okay, that's better, because when I get done I have to unpeel the backing. Okay, now I'm going to start unpeeling this paper and then stick it little by little. Now, well, even if it is a little crooked, at least it will keep the bees and flies out.